Yes, I remember it very well. I remember that night.
Oh, you
We
killed it that
performed the
night,
song
though, child.
together one time. We performed it that one time at Madison Square Garden.
You
And
killed it.
when Buju came out on the stage, the whole place just lit up. They were so excited to see him in New York. And that was my first headlining show at Madison Square Garden. And it was a thrill to have Buju with me. And I'm glad we got together again to make some
That
music.
is good. I am happy that you invited me to be a part of that great celebration. I mean, things just went
Absolutely.
south after that, but it's great that we're here again today in the flesh, more than anything
Yes,
else, to somehow impart on the people that connection, that spiritual connection through music. That's lacking and missing,
yes,
and we've managed to pull it off this time. I think again.
absolutely.
Yeah, I mean memories. You know, I was doing an interview this morning on the Jamaican radio show. I think it was IRFM, and we're talking about memories because memories come out today. And I felt so. I started singing. Guess I'm not over you. I thought I was. So it has this. I can't wait, man. We don't know what performance would be in the future, or
Yeah.
what concerts would be like, but I certainly hope we get a chance to share those moments on stage.
Oh yeah,
Again.
we're gonna get back on stage. This disease will not be with us forever, and we're gonna get back on stage. We're gonna connect with our audiences again. But in the meantime, we'll do it this way until we can all be together again. And I'm just grateful we can still make music and still get it out to the people and give them that love still.
Man, I just want to thank you again for being on this record with me, bro. This is real. We don't want to sit on Instagram and act like we're playing from a script. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Because we real. You know what I mean? So we want to keep it real to the
absolutely.
people out there who are real and tell them to stay safe, stay alive. Don't listen to everything that they say, but do what you know is right.
Do what is right. That's right. Do what is right. Absolutely.
Hey, John. Love you, bro.
Yeah.
All right, stay
Love you
strong,
too, man.
okay? From the Kingston, Jamaica. Much love and respect,
Yes.
all right?
Peace
All right.
and love, brother. Respect.
Remember, said the album, tell the massive out there. I want to tell them. Let me tell them for you. This album is called Upside Down. Remember, it comes your way very soon. Very, very soon. Upside Down. Buju Banton and John Legend. And a new single is out, and it's called Memories. Guys, be sure to go out and check it out.
Check
Intend
it
to
out, y'all.
uplift, educate you, and make you reminisce about someone who you love or lost.
Yes. Thank you,
Hey,
brother.
big brother, know what yourself. You
Yes.
understand? We're gonna link up. Cause right now
Yes,
with the
we will.
global, so you don't know the focus and the focal, according to the
Yes.
focal. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, sir.
respect.
Respect, brother.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. I brethren John Legend, and I just link in. Yes, I'm not over you. Me and Jeremy turn it on. Like I thought I was.